We're back to the DXPR clients page where I'm going to teach you how to use image generation in DXPR Builder. So first I'm going to add a new section, and that new section will need an image obviously. Add a section for our new client Apple. So while we're generating a section, I'll explain what's going to happen. Whenever DXPR Builder adds new content that needs images, it will add placeholder images to the content, and these placeholder images contain instructions for what the AI should be, what sort of image should be in the content, without actually starting generation, because generation is very slow. So when you create a landing page with maybe 10 or more images, you do not want to wait for all those images to generate before you can interact with the page. So what it does is develop these placeholder images that have a little briefing in text form inside of it. So this briefing can be used by an AI image generator, but also by a creative professional or a creative team if you have access to this. So Apple Innovation and DXPR Collaboration for Advanced Content Solutions. So whatever text is in the placeholder image will also be the default for the Edit with AI image UI. So I'm not going to use this, I'm going to have a little bit more fun. Tim Cook shaking hands with the CEO of DXPR in front of the shiny new high-tech office building of DXPR that has huge DXPR lettering on the facade. Only my MacBook could spell our brand name. Oh, it did correctly here. Maybe it's just my articulation that's lacking. Okay, so I selected landscape here because we have a pattern of using white images. You can say auto, square, landscape or portrait. Okay, let's generate the image. So fun story is actually that I decided against including image generation at all in the product, because I reckoned AI generated images are not yet good enough to be featured in professional web content. So there's something to say for that, I think, but image generation keeps getting better, and on top of that we had our closed beta where users were just disappointed that they were trying to edit an image and it was not possible to generate any images. And I recognized that generating images can be kind of fun and a nice way to play with the product and get acquainted with it as well. And there we have it, an authentic photo of the CEO of DXPR, which should represent me, but obviously I'm not as famous as Tim Cook, so we didn't get that right, in front of our beautiful new office building.